Hey YouTube, so what's going on? Notice anything different about my truck? So anyway, I'm starting a new project today, and if you have been following me, I bought a Smittybilt winch. So in today's episode, I am going to be taking off everything. So you see my truck, the brush guard has been removed, and I'm selling this. And so right now I'm removing the bumper here. I'm going to be selling the bumper as well to recuperate some money. And let's see. So I'm going to be removing this bumper right here. I'm going to be building a winch bumper around the Smittybilt winch. And that's that, guys. Hi. Sorry about that. That was my boss coming out to lecture me. So anyway, I'm gonna start removing this bumper right here, and yeah, I have all the metal. How I'm gonna build this, it's gonna be a tube winch bumper, but after I remove this, I'm gonna assess as to how I'm gonna build it. It's all in my head right now, and I'm sure it's nothing a welder and a grinder can not fix or build. So here it is. This is my adventure, my new adventure. It's a kickoff. So here we go. Okay guys, so this is how it looks like. So this is how I took this bumper off. Took out these two bolts right here, same one, the same on the other side, and then this little groove right here. There's a little I don't know, I don't want to call it a bolt, but there's a spike here that rides onto this groove so the bumper doesn't fall off. And then let's see, this right here, okay, you have to wedge this out. The reason is because under here there's this little right here, this little bolt right here rides high into that little area right there, and so you have to make this thing go down while lift this thing up, that little spike up out of the groove here, and that's how you do it. Yeah, and, you saw how I did it. That's how you remove the front bumper. So guys, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to remove this little piece inside bumper here, and I'm going to build me a plate that goes on top of here. Okay, and from there we're going to start tubing this. This will be a mounting tube for the bumper, and it's gonna, and the plate is going to be mounted onto here as well, and that's how we're going to do it. We'll see what happens. It's all in my head. Okay, so fun time. Hey guys, so I'm gonna take out these two right here, or this piece right here. I'm gonna remove it, and see what happens. Okay guys, so this is what I'm doing. I am building, fabricating or cutting brackets for that bumper. Okay, and this is going to go into the frame. I'm going to weld this in and show you how I'm doing. I decided to cut this bracket out, and I'm going to be replacing it with this, like that. It's going to go in there. This is thicker metal 316. This is probably about 14 gauge. It's really light duty. And so then I'm going to cut 4 and that one. And the reason why I'm cutting 4 is so that I can do something like this. Originally, this is how I did it. I decided to go against it. There. Okay. Alright guys, so this is what I did. Built brackets here. So you can see here, F means this thing welds onto the frame. Passenger side, okay? So this thing welds onto it like that, okay? And then these holes right here, I'm going to drill it out and put grade 8 bolts onto the plate here. So there's going to be 1 hole, 2 hole, 3 holes. Okay guys, so I made these brackets right here. It will be used to be welded into here. Okay, and this is where the bumper will be installed on. Okay, so this is grade 8 bolt. I forgot what size it is, but it's pretty big. So it's bigger than the OEM ones. So we're gonna weld this. We're gonna tack this in this weekend. We'll finalize the weld. That's that. Okay, so tack this in place in the morning. This weekend, later tomorrow, maybe I will weld this thing on after I've eyeballed everything and make sure that's accurate. And that's that, guys. Let's do the other side right there. Alright guys, so it's set. See, it goes in like that. Okay, this here as well goes in like that. So we're gonna bolt this in here, okay, and then the tube bumper will be welded onto here somewhere somehow. So hey folks, so this is what I did. I've managed to cage this in. Okay, so as you can see here, this thing goes here like that. Okay, then the winch plate will go here across over there. Here I've done the same thing. Okay, see, same thing. So now I'm gonna finalize my welding here. Okay guys, so this is done. Finalized my weld. It's not the best looking weld, but I know it will hold. Okay, here as well. I finalized my weld around here as well, but I have to shave it off so that this thing will go in. It's pretty tight. Okay, so yeah, this as well. I finalized my weld here, okay, and here I have to shave my welding beads here off. I know it's bad to shave any beads off. The reason is because it compromises the integrity of the weld, but I have to do that. So anyway, what I'll do, the reason why I left this part long is because when this one goes in like that, I'm going to be using a big, huge, I don't know, thumb size bolt that goes in here through that side. It's going to squish this in. It's going to help hold this in addition to these bolts right here, and that's what's going to give it strength. The big huge bolt on the side here. So that's what it is. Same thing here. I'm going to have a big huge bolt here, and yeah.